Southampton Solent University has a sensory room on campus in room JM110, part of the main teaching building.
It's open to all students, you just need to use your campus card to enter.
Here's how to find it on campus. The sensory room is a quiet space for students and has been designed to be autism friendly and non-distracting.
It's a calming, sensory environment if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed on the campus.
It's a place to limit or enhance the senses or just relax. There's no staff checking who is entering the room or why.
There is different lighting, blackout blinds, sensory objects, weighted blankets, mindfulness colouring and more.
It is a shared space which should be respected and not used as a social or meeting place. Please look after it and be mindful of others.
We really hope you find this a helpful place on the campus.
Next time you're nearby the student hub, stop by to take a look.